Oh, I am now more me.
You also wear them higher here, which looks better. The other ones go down.
Oh, really?
So that's
Ah.
why they made you the
So you don't like this?
Yeah, don't do that.
So we're here for real this time now. October 26th, which is tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are going to premiere The Face of Dark, which is our next short film that we did. We finished. We're going to have the chat session on during that time for the first time. We don't know how that's going to work. Personally, I may not be chatting during the film, so when it's playing, however, it won't stop anybody else from doing it. We hope to see you there for the viewing. I'm going to put this up today so that you have a little bit of time. So tomorrow again, October 26th, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to show the premiere of our new short film. And hope to see you there.